Are you finding more hair on your pillow, in your shower drain, or on your hairbrush? You are not alone. Hair loss affects millions of Australians, and most people don't realize that there is something you can do about it. Stay with me, because in the next 10 minutes, I am going to explain exactly why hair loss happens and how we have been helping people naturally regrow their hair for over 30 years. First, let's understand what is actually happening. Hair grows in cycles: growth phase, rest phase, and shedding phase. When this cycle gets disrupted, we start to see thinning and hair loss. The most common causes are: number 1, genetics, pattern hair loss in men and women. Number 2, hormonal changes, common in women during menopause or post-pregnancy. Number 3, stress. Both physical and emotional stress can push large numbers of hair follicles into the shedding phase at once. Number 4, poor scalp circulation, meaning the follicle is not receiving enough nutrients. Number 5, nutritional deficiencies. Iron, zinc, and biotin are especially important for hair health. Now here is what most people do not know. The vast majority of hair loss treatments available today, pharmaceutical tablets, chemical topicals, they come with side effects. Some cause dryness, some affect hormones, and some people simply cannot tolerate them long term. That is exactly why, 30 years ago, our founders developed a different approach, one inspired by traditional Chinese medicine and plant-based herbal science. Our hair health tonic is made from natural plant extracts. Our hair health tablets are TGA approved, which means they meet Australia's strict therapeutic goods standards. And our treatments are done by a certified trichologist, a specialist in scalp and hair health. So how does our treatment actually work? Let me explain. Step 1, consultation. Every client begins with a thorough consultation with our certified trichologist. We examine your scalp, assess your hair loss pattern, and understand your health history. This is not a one-size-fits-all program. Step 2, scalp treatment. In our clinic, we apply the herbal plant extract tonic directly to the scalp. This helps improve scalp circulation, nourish dormant follicles, and create the right environment for hair regrowth. Step 3, home program. We send you home with products specifically suited to your condition: the tonic, tablets, and our specially formulated shampoo and conditioner. You continue the treatment at home between clinic visits. Step 4, monitoring. We check in regularly to track your progress and adjust your program as needed. Hair regrowth takes time, but we guide you every single step of the way. Now you might be wondering, does this actually work? Let me share some results. These are real people who came to us feeling frustrated and losing hope, and today they have visible, measurable improvement in their hair density and scalp health. Not overnight results, real, sustainable results built over months of consistent treatment. And here is something important: the earlier you act, the better your results. Hair follicles that have been dormant for too long can become permanently damaged. So if you are noticing hair loss, do not wait. If you are ready to take the first step, all you need to do is call us or visit us our website to book online. I will leave the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more honest, expert information about natural hair loss treatment. I'll see you in the next video.